Have you ever wondered why avocados are the talk of the town? Well, get ready to have your mind blown because today I'll be sharing with you the top 5 incredible health benefits of avocados that will make you rush to your nearest supermarket. So grab a pen and paper because you won't want to miss out on these. Number 1. Avocados are packed with heart-healthy fats. One of the key benefits of avocados is their high healthy fat content. Contrary to popular belief, not all fats are bad for you. Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats, the good fats that actually support heart health and help lower bad cholesterol levels. Studies have shown that incorporating avocados into your diet can actually have a positive impact on your lipid profiles, promoting a healthier heart. Plus, these healthy fats also help with nutrient absorption, which means you'll get even more benefits from the other nutritious foods you eat. Now on to number 2. Avocados are a nutritional powerhouse. Avocados are a rich source of vitamins and minerals that are essential for our overall health. They are bursting with potassium, which is crucial for maintaining a healthy blood pressure and heart function. Avocados also loaded with vitamin K, which supports bone health, and vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that nourishes your skin and hair. Additionally, avocados are also a fantastic source of fiber, which aids in digestion and keeps you feeling fuller for longer. This incredible fruit can even help regulate blood sugar levels, making it a great option for those with diabetes. Not convinced yet? Well, avocados are a fantastic source of plant-based protein, making them an excellent option for all you vegetarians and vegans out there. By incorporating avocados into your diet, you're getting all the essential amino acids your body needs. Avocados are also packed with antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, which are beneficial for maintaining eye health. These superfruits have even been linked to a reduced risk of age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. Number 3. Avocados are fantastic for weight management. First and foremost, avocados are loaded with healthy fats. Healthy fats that can actually promote weight loss. The monounsaturated fats found in avocados help increase satiety, meaning they keep you full and satisfied for longer periods of time. Not only do avocados keep you satisfied, but they also provide a significant amount of fiber, which aids in digestion. A single avocado contains about 13 grams of dietary fiber, which is more than some whole grains. Fiber helps regulate your blood sugar levels, preventing spikes and crashes that can lead to overeating. Avocados contain a compound called oleic acid, which has been shown to activate genes that help reduce belly fat. Moving on to number 4. Avocados are great for your skin. First things first, let's talk about the amazing vitamins and minerals that make avocados a skincare powerhouse. Packed with vitamin E, vitamin C, and a range of B vitamins, avocados work wonders for the overall health of your skin. These essential nutrients help nourish your skin from the inside out, promoting a healthy complexion. Avocados are also filled with healthy fats, such as monounsaturated fats, omega-3 fatty acids, and oleic acid. These fats are fantastic for moisturizing and hydrating your skin, leaving it feeling soft, supple, and rejuvenated. Avocado oil is another skincare gem derived from this incredible fruit. Due to its emollient properties, avocado oil is easily absorbed by your skin, making it an excellent natural moisturizer. It helps to lock in moisture, soothe irritation, and even reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. The benefits of avocados go beyond what's on the inside, too. Did you know that avocado can be used as an all-natural face mask? The high antioxidant content in avocados helps protect your skin from oxidative stress, keeping it clear and vibrant. Plus, its anti-inflammatory properties can soothe acne-prone skin and reduce redness, giving you a clear complexion that's selfie-ready. Last but certainly not least, number 5. Avocados support brain health. Firstly, avocados are an excellent source of healthy fats, particularly monounsaturated fats. These fats are like superheroes for our brain as they help build and maintain the protective covering around nerves, enhancing communication and preventing those infamous brain fogs. Avocados are also a great source of vitamins C, E, and B complex, which are essential for healthy brain function. These vitamins act as powerful antioxidants, protecting our brain cells from harmful free radicals and reducing the risk of cognitive decline as we age. Furthermore, avocados are a fantastic source of dietary fiber. This fiber helps regulate blood sugar levels, preventing spikes and crashes that can impact our brain's energy levels. And let's not forget about avocados' rich potassium content. Potassium is known to support the electrical impulses within our brain, allowing neurons to fire more efficiently, boosting cognition and memory. Now, you might be thinking, How can I incorporate avocados into my daily meals? Well, whether you're having a toast for breakfast, a salad for lunch, or a wrap for dinner, avocados can enhance the flavor and provide that creamy texture we all love. Avocado toast? It's an absolute classic. Mash up some avocado with a squeeze of lemon juice, a pinch of salt, and slather it on a crispy slice of whole grain bread. Top it off with some cherry tomatoes or a sprinkle of feta cheese, and you've got yourself a heart-healthy and oh-so-delicious breakfast. And that's the end of the video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on any of our exciting videos. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.